Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. In this episode, let me give you the trading strategies in Nifty and Banknifty for tomorrow, that is 10th January 2023. Before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. So if anybody is using the content for trading, take the help of SEBI certified investment professional. So now let me proceed with my presentation. Today Nifty ended at around 18,088. Today traded in a small range between 18,150 on the higher side and on 18,000 and lower levels. Yes, in the morning. So now how you should take your position tomorrow. So there's a chance that the market can retest if you see a longer time frame. I'll put 1 hour time frame for the same chart. You can see market can retest to previous resistance, that is around this level, that is 18,250. So market can retest there. So now market is around 18,100. So another 150 points on the higher side, you can trade longer. But 18,000 should be your strict stop loss. 18,000 is the stop loss. So you can trade for a target of 18,250. But if market trades, let me come to the shorter time frame again, 5 minutes. So if the market is trading, yeah, the below 18,000, that is here. So it's better that you can sell for a lower target of 17,900. That's a pivot, and you can trade even for a lower target of 17,800. So that is your Nifty strategy for tomorrow. If the market is gapping up, then there is an opportunity of going long for a target of 18,250. But if market is below 18,000, so you can short for a target of 17,900 first and then 17,800. Yeah, 17,800 is a very critical level. Okay, now let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty chart I'll put on the screen. Yeah, so this is the Bank Nifty chart. So today it traded in a very small range. So that is 42,700 on the upside and 42,260 on the lower side. So what should be your view? If you take a longer time frame, let me put for hourly time frame. So you can see I'll erase the previous data. Yeah, there's a chance that it can test hour is I'll remove hour and I'll put 30 minutes time frame. So you can see uh, there's a chance that it can trade to the next level, that is somewhere here. So that is 43,230. So it can go higher. So before that there are many points here. It can 42,900 is first point. Okay, actually Bank Nifty did not perform the way Nifty performed today. Banks were laggards today in trade. So now let me close this and come to the open interest uh, chart. So this is the open interest chart on your screen. Yeah, so you can see the Nifty open interest first. So put highest build up is here. So 18,000. So 18,000 will be strong support. Yeah, then we have got 17,900, 17,800. All these are supports. and the call also aggressively return at around 18,000. So 18,000 is a level of pain for the market. So if it breaks only, we can have another resistance at around 18,100. So you have to understand one thing: 18,000 is the most crucial level. The maximum pain is at 18,000. If it breaks, then we can have very low levels in Nifty. But the majority of the people who have written puts at around 18,000. So 18,000 will be a very big support. So that is for Nifty. And today, what has happened to Nifty? Change in open interest. So let me go first. Change in open interest in Nifty. So that is on your screen. So change in open interest for Nifty. Okay. So you can see there was an unwinding in calls, 18,000 big unwinding, but puts were written, which means that market will be above 18,000 in the coming days. And all puts were written, you see, calls unwinding today. Maximum unwinding took place in 18,000, which means we can expect higher levels. Let me erase this and go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, what has happened? So first Bank Nifty, let me go to the open interest. So you see, highest call is written at around 43K. 43,000 is going to be the maximum resistance level. And next resistance is at around 42,500. So 42,500 also a very high number of calls written. So it's going to be resistance, but market is above that. And puts highest put is at around 42,500. So the maximum pain is at around 42,500. If it falls below 42,500, then you see hardly any calls after that. So maximum resistance is around 42,500. So next is at 43. But on the put side, you see if 42,500 breaks, so next level is 42,000 only. So if you look on the open interest, the chance of 42,500 breaking and seeing 42,000 levels is a higher probability. So therefore, tomorrow when you are entering into Bank Nifty, so you can if it is trading above 42,500, then you can wait for 42,500 to break. Then you can go short for levels of 42,000. So this is the open interest analysis in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So thank you for watching this episode. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Your one like will motivate me to come up with the more data every day on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So thank you.